Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
As the CS December 2019 exams will be conducted from December 20 to 30 for foundation, executive and professional programs, already registered candidates can apply online for it. However, there are various stages in CS application form, thus to make the process easy to understand and to help candidates know the do's and don'ts while applying for CS December 2019 exam, we bring a step-by-step guide for filling the application form of CS 2019 for December session. Candidates can fill the CS application form till September 25 without late fee and October 10 with late fee of Rs 250. Here we are simplifying the steps to be followed for filling the CS application or exam form. First, the candidates have to visit the SMASH portal of ICSI at smash.icsi.in. Now log in using the registration number and password along with the verification code. There is an option of module next to home. Select it followed by enrollment and then click on enrollment request. A new screen opens with the option of add enrollment request in the bottom. Click on it. Now the candidates will be required to fill details like country, state, center, medium, modules and exempted subjects. Allow the pop-up if disabled in the computer system because the exam form will not open otherwise. In the next screen, the candidates have to tick mark on declaration and click on next. Candidate enrollment details will appear which the candidates are required to confirm. Now click on complete enrollment request and select the payment gateway. Click on next and then proceed. Now enter the details as required for payment and download the fee receipt after successful payment. This completes your CS application process.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and visit Careers 360 website for more details.